Hello, this is how to make tofu steak. This is yam or yamaimo. This is sliced skin. This is crush and topping egg, only red, and topping cheese, Hokkaido cheese, and wrapping. Put 5 minutes in microwave or oven, and topping sliced dry dry fish. It moving. Okay, let's check. It looks delicious. Easy to make. I hope after watch you can do it. Look at the red eggs. It is so good and healthy. Sauce is ponzu. It's called ponzu. The flavor is salty, a little bit salty and sour. It's really good timing. Take a look, tofu. Yummy.